Why complicate life? 1. Missing somebody call. 2. Wanna meet up invite. 3. Wanna be understood explain. 4. Have questions ask. 5. Don't like something speak up. 6. Like something share it. 7. Want something ask for it. 8. Love someone tell them. We only have one life. Keep it simple. Confound life. 9. Missing someone call. 10. Want to get together welcome. 11. Want to be perceived make sense of. 12. Have questions inquire. 13. Could do without something shout out. 14. Like something offer it. 15. Need something request it. 16. Love somebody tell them. We just have one life. Keep it straightforward.